Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about a new operator in SQL, that is nothing but a like operator in SQL, and how to use how to write a query using a like operator, and what are nothing but a wildcard operator wildcards in SQL. I am going to explain in this video. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here in SQL we have a new concept known as wildcards. If you are good at wildcards or writing a regular expression, then using a like operator is just a cakewalk for you. And if you don't have an idea about how to write a regular expressions in normal languages or in the SQL, and if you don't know about what are nothing but a wildcards, I am going to explain here a couple of wildcards here in this video. This is nothing but a percentage as well as underscore, and I am going to explain how the like operator will be used in writing a queries using these two wildcards. And here the one of the wildcard is percentage of percentage here. So percentage is nothing but 0 or 1, which will represent 0, 1 or more characters. Suppose if you write something like a and modulus, then what it will a percentage, what it is nothing but it will, the particular string is starts with a and followed by any number of characters, either at least of 1 or 0 or 1 or multiple characters. Similarly, if you write like a underscore, what it is nothing but it is starting with a followed by only one character. Underscore is nothing but which represents a only single character, which allows only single character. Similarly, if you allow something like a underscore b, what it is nothing but starting with a and ending with b, and in between the a and b we have only one character allowed. That means the total length of this entire string is total 3. One is a, another one is b, and another one is single character. Suppose if you mention a modulus of b, that is a percentage b, then what it means is a for starting with a and ending with b, and in between that we have either zero number of characters or one character or multiple characters. That means the minimum size is, suppose if here the modulus is nothing but 0 characters, then the minimum length is 2. Suppose if we have n number of characters, then the minimum length is n plus, then the maximum length is n plus 2. So this is how modulus and underscore will work. And let us write a query for like operator to illustrate the like here, like clause. Now the query for that is, here we have a table for that. I am just deleting this query. Here we have a table for table 1. Now I am retrieving the contents in select star from table 1. Table 1 here I am running it. So if you observe that these are the contents present in it. Suppose here what I want to retrieve is, here select star from table 1. Here the operator you need to specify where that first underscore name, like you need to specify this operator here, like operator space, you need to write a condition here. The condition is k modulus. What it is nothing but what like operator will do is, we need to specify the condition here in the single quotes. Suppose I want to retrieve all the first names starting with k, and I am writing it as modulus. That means starting with k and followed by any number of characters. Now let us see what is the output of it. If my assumption is correct, that means starting with k and followed by multiple characters, we have only one row related to that, that is nothing but Kiran. Now let us execute this. If we execute this, then we got only one row, that is k Kiran. If you write something like s modulus, that is starting with s and followed by any number of characters, if I run it, we only got Sai row. Similarly, we have underscore here. If we write underscore and underscore, that means two underscores, that means after the starting with s and followed by two underscore, that means two characters, that means the total length is 3. So if we run this, we again got the Sai here, because what happens is here in the first underscore it will take the value as a, and in the second underscore it will take the value as I. So the length of the Sai is 3, and here also the length is 3. So it is satisfying. Similarly, suppose what I want is, I want to identify all the records which have the I in their name. Suppose if I write it like in Kiran we have I, in Sai we have I, in Vinay also we have I. Suppose what I want is, I want the name which like I want the first name which contains a I in their first name. Suppose in order to do that, how I write this expression is, I am writing it as starting one or more characters here, and in between this I need I here, and again I am writing it as one or more characters. So what it represents is, it will take it as the entire string. Like suppose here if you consider Kiran, the second character is I, and what it will take is, for in the first modulus it will take it as only one only one character. For the second modulus it will take it as a 3 characters. So that is how it will get executed. And for the second one, what it will take is, for the first modulus it will take it as 2 characters, and for the second modulus it will take it as a 0 characters. It is also accepted in wildcards, modulus of modulus wildcard. Similarly, in this in the name Vinay, we will be accepted as 1 character, and first modulus will be accepted only 1 character, and the second modulus will get accepted only 3 characters. So if I run this, we will get all the 3 values here. Similarly, if I run it for something like n, if I write it like n, then what we will get is, we will only get the Kiran and Vinay, because we only have n in Kiran and Vinay. So if I run it, we only got 2 rows, we didn't get the Sai here. Similarly, just like it, we can also use some of the operators like classes like using a brackets, as well as you can also specify wildcard known as dot, and we have a lot of wildcards in SQL that you can learn it from any of the online website. But here in this video I am going to explain, I have explained only these 2 wildcards here, because these are the most commonly used wildcards in SQL using a like operator. So this is how like operator will be used to match the patterns in SQL. So that is all about this video, guys. Thank you for watching.